Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Debi Irawan, and I am from Universitas Indonesia Mabango. It is a great privilege to present with research at this conference. The title of my presentation is Application of Cancer Engineering in Website-Based Psychological Assessment, a Bibliometric Analysis and Systematic Literature Review. And the work was authored by Debi Irawan, Kartika Nuradina, Rifki Farisan Akbar, Yudan Duta Prasetyo, and Iqbal Insanul Kamil. In this session, I will walk you through the background, methodology, and results. Lean reports 76% of companies now use schematic testing in hiring, upending millions annually. In Indonesia, demand spans both private sectors and state-owned enterprise like Telkom, Pertamina, and Garuda Indonesia. And web-based platforms demonstrate superior preference over mobile application for psychological intervention due to enhanced cross-device compatibility. Unlike mobile app requiring reinstallation across device, web solution maintain consistent domain accessibility regardless of hardware change, offering seamless user experience, a critical factor in psychological service delivery. Proposed solution, consent engineering, a design methodology rooted in human perception, offers a way to mitigate this limitation, including biases, to investigate the relationship between consent engineering, website, and psychological assessment. Methodology this research to scrutinize the scholarly literature on cancer engineering application in web-based psychological assessment interface. This research utilizes a bibliometric approach, a quantitative method used to map the emerging trends, thematic evolution, and conceptual networks within a field. To elucidate the interconnection among three principal variables by undertaking a systematic literature review, which involves the meticulous identification, critical appraisal, and synthesis of existing scholarship. Following PRISMA 220 guidelines, the review process utilizes Web of Science and Google Scholar database to examine publication from 220 to 225, employing three keywords combination in English and Indonesia. One, cancer engineering and websites. Two, websites and psychological assessment. And three, cancer engineering and psychological assessment. The methodology implements Mendeley Desktop to article management, Microsoft Excel for data processing, and FastViewer for bibliometric network analysis. It is evidence that the final screen corpus comprised from 125 articles, indicating a study of reasonably robust scope. This indicates that studies closely related to this research are still very limited. Result and discussion on documents buyer pick off 35 published document in 2024, followed 2022 with 25 documents. In global regions, the analysis of national contribution from January 220 to June 2025 shows that Indonesia is the most significant contributor, accounting for 253 of the 351 total author country instances. For leading author, the publication output saw consistent growth, led by Professor Anna Hadiana with 8 publications from Indonesia, Brin, Likmi, and Madira, followed by Professor Anitawati Muhammad Lukman from University Technology Mara, Malaysia, with 7 publications, and third place Indra Griha Taufik Isa from Politeknik Negeri Sriwijaya Indonesia with six publication. For affiliation participation, the distribution of publication by institutional from January 2020 to June 2025, University Technology Mara Malaysia with contributing 20 publication, followed by Indonesia with Polytechnic Negeri Sriwijaya 90 publication, 19 publication. Analysis of the keyword co-occurrence from these fictilities, a clear thematic structure, confirming the relevance of the 125 documents selected for this study. The three principal keywords identified are cancer engineering, website, and psychological assessment. Website as a central node, bridging the research domain of cancer engineering and psychological assessment. The visualization further reveal five distinct thematic clusters, each represented by a dominant color. One, the green color cluster encompasses keywords pertaining to the integrated application of cancer engineering website and user interface. The red cluster is associated with psychological assessment and its practical implementation, particularly in recruitment process for corporate and organizational roles. And three, the blue cluster signifies research at the intersection of all three primary fields, while the yellow cluster highlight the relationship between user interface and psychological assessment. And five, the purple cluster featuring university indicates that a significant portion of research applying cancer engineering to website focus on academic institutions. The relationship between cancer engineering and website, research on cancer engineering for website interface design ranks as the second most prevalent with a value of 17.9% from 335 documents of total study 2020 to 2025. The relationship between website and psychological assessment. The most prevalent psychological assessment method in web development, related research science 2020 is undefined, accounting for 53.2% of total studies. Subsequently, the Kraepelin test and Papi Caustic, each representing 6.5% of studies. The relationship between cancer engineering and physical assessment, there are no direct connection as yet. Conclusion this research, the bibliometric analysis of 125 articles concerning cancer engineering, website, and physical assessment reveals an increasing publication trend, with the highest contribution originating from Indonesia, followed by Malaysia and Sri Lanka. The most active authors and in institution include Professor Anna Hadiana and University Teknologi Mara, Malaysia. The systematic literature review confirms the existence of a relationship between cancer engineering and website design, as well as between website and psychological assessment. However, direct link between cancer engineering and psychological assessment has not been explicitly established. Several contradictory findings also emerged, including the limitation of cancer engineering in balancing emotional, evaluate functional usability, and the additional challenge posed by web-based physical assessment, particularly in mitigating participant response biases. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for your attention. And I look to your feedback and question. This is my contact. Waalaikumsalam. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.